Alright, so DJI recently launched the Pocket 4P. Well, not everywhere yet, but where it's available, it's already shaping up to be one of the best pocket cameras you can buy. But that raises the obvious question, what's next for DJI? Well, there are actually quite a few products reportedly in the pipeline. In this video, we'll rank them based on how likely they are to launch, from the most credible leaks all the way down to the biggest question marks. So stick around and let's get started. First up is the DJI Air 4. Right now, this is probably the most credible upcoming DJI product. Reports claim the Air 4 has appeared in a Chinese drone registration system, which suggests DJI is actively testing the drone ahead of launch. That's a much stronger signal than the usual anonymous supply chain rumors. As for the drone itself, it's rumored to feature a redesigned airframe, improved obstacle avoidance, better low-light camera performance, longer battery life, and upgraded transmission hardware. While the specifications haven't been officially confirmed, the registration citing gives this leak a lot of credibility. Next, we have the DJI Avata 3 with roughly a 90% chance of launching. This one's a bit different. Multiple industry sources believe DJI is preparing to refresh its FPV lineup, but so far there are no leaked photos, certification filings, regulatory documents, or firmware references that directly confirm the Avata 3. The rumored upgrades include a larger image sensor, improved dynamic range, better low-light performance, longer flight time, and improved stabilization. But at this stage, those are still expectations rather than leak-backed specifications. Moving on, we have DJI's mysterious N610BS, which I currently give around an 85% chance of launching this year. Unlike the previous drone, this one is backed by an actual Chinese CMIIT radio certification. The filings mention two model variants, N610BS and N610BS-BD, with the BD variant carrying certificate number 2026-7820. That confirms DJI has at least one unreleased drone progressing through the certification process. However, that's also where the confirmed information ends. The filings don't reveal the product name, camera, specifications, or even which series it belongs to. So while the hardware itself appears to be real, everything else, including reports that this could be an entirely new semi-professional drone lineup, remains speculation until more leaks surface. Next up is the DJI Osmo Action 7, which currently sits at around a 75% launch probability only because of the release pattern. At the moment, there's no hard evidence supporting this camera. No certification filings, regulatory approvals, leaked packaging, prototype photos, or firmware references have surfaced publicly. The rumors about a larger sensor, improved HDR, better battery life, and new AI-powered features are based almost entirely on what people expect DJI to improve in its next-generation action camera rather than any concrete leaks. And finally, we have the DJI Mic Mini 2S. This one has officially been announced and is launching globally with onboard recording and support for up to 4 transmitters. However, DJI has not announced US availability, and there's currently no official US release date or pricing. Interestingly, the Mic Mini 2S appeared in FCC filings earlier this year, but those filings were later removed. So while the product itself is real, its US launch remains uncertain for now. Well, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.